Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice app. You will go here to settings as you see and you will enter. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Splice and you will click in this page here. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to